नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain from Jyoti Vidyapit, Hubert Women's University, Department of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic. The today's topic is bed making. Definition: it is the technique of preparing different type of bed making in patient client comfortable for his or her position suitable for particular condition. Purpose: to provide the client with a safe or comfortable bed to take rest and sleep, to keep the ward neat and tidy, to keep the ward neat and tidy, to adapt the needs of the client and to be ready for any emergency or critical condition of illness, to economize time, material and effort. Purpose: to prevent bad sores, to observe the client, to patient comfort, prevent cross infection for treatment of certain condition. Infection control: important to limit movement of organism and spread of infection while in bed. Roll the dirty or soiled line while removing it from bed. Hold dirty line away from your body. Place dirty line in hamper, cart, bag immediately near. Place line on the floor. Wash your hand after handling dirty line. Never bring extra line into a patient's room. Line is considered contaminated once it is a room and cannot be used for another person. Avoid shaking clean sheet to place them on the bed. Unfold them gently to inhibit the flow of microorganism. Place the open end of pillowcase away from the door. This look neater and also help prevent the entrance of organism from the hall. Universal precaution: observe universal precaution of line is contaminated by blood or body fluid. Wash hand frequently and wear glove while handling line. Follow agency policy of proper disposal of line. Body mechanism: essential to use correct body mechanism while bed making. Also important to conserve time and energy. Keep line arranged in order of use. Make bed completely on one side before doing other side to limit necessary movement from one side of bed to opposite side. Type of beds: close bed made following discharge of patient. Purpose is to keep bed clean until new patient admitted. Open bed: fan fold top sheet to foot of bed to convert closed bed to open bed. Unfold means to fold sheet like accordance planes, done to welcome a new patient or for patients who are ambulatory or out of bed. Occupied bed: bed is made while patient is in it, usually done after the morning bath. Bed with cradle: cradle placed on bed under the top sheet. Prevent top sheet from touching part of the patient body. Used for burn, skin ulcer, lesion, blood clot, fracture or surgery. Some cradles have light bulb to provide heat for special treatment. Matters: matters used for the client should be firm, thick and smooth to give support to the client. All should have washable cover. The size is 190 centimeter width. Pillow are usually made out of strong cotton or Dunlop. Size 60 centimeter long, 45 centimeter wide or 10 centimeter thick. Pillow cases: it should be bigger than the size of pillow for the easy insertion lets they destroy the shape of the pillow. The average size is 65 centimeter long and 50 centimeter wide. Sheet. The bed sheet are made for strong cotton material. They are used to protect the matter from soiling and to cover the client. They should be sufficiently long, wide to tuck in well at the head, foot or side. Size 108 inches long, 76 inches wide. Matted corners. Purpose is to hold line firmly in place on beds, stretch and exam tables. A matter corner is a special folding technique that secure the line under the matter. Draw making McNaugh's and draw sheet. They are drawn from side to side, usually extended from the client's shoulder to below knee. Draw McNaugh's Macintosh is a waterproof sheeting made up of either rubber or plastic material. It is used to protect the matter and the bottom sheet from soiling. Draw sheet. It is used to cover the Macintosh extend from patient shoulder to the knee. The average size will be 150 centimeter long and 110 centimeter wide. Used to protect matters. If solid, it can be changed without changing the bottom sheet. Disposable bed protector, also called under pads, are used in some area instead of draw sheet. Blanket. Bed, bed spread or counterpane. It is used to give a nearest appearance to the bed. It protects the blanket and the bed is whole from dust. Size 3 meter long and 3 meter wide. Rule for bed making. Use good body mechanism at all time. Follow standard precaution. Always wash your hand before handling clean line and after handling dirty line. Bring enough line into the person room. Always keep clean line covered. Never shake line. Do not take line from one person room to use on another person. Hold line away from your uniform. Never put dirty line on the floor on the top of clean line. Roll dirty line away from your body when removing it from the bed. The bottom line must be tightly tucked without wrinkles. A cotton draw sheet must completely cover the plastic draw sheet. Straighten and tighten loose line whenever necessary. Make one side of the bed completely before going to the other side. The large ham goes to the top of the bed. Journal instruction for making bed. Wash hand before after the procedure. Don't expose the client unnecessarily. Protect the client from drought. Don't cover the client face while placing the line. Don't mix clean line with solid line. Do not let the line touch your body or uniform. Keep a reasonable distance from the face of the client to prevent cross infection. All equipment should be collected from before starting. Bed should be made in such a way that patient can be put in without difficulty. The bed should be free from crumbs and crease and should give a maximum comfort to the patient. Pillow and other bed accessories should be well arranged to give supported where necessary. The patient face should never be covered by the sheet or blanket. Extra assistance should be available and if necessary, one should be called upon to help lift the patient. When pillow are being shaken, the nurse should turn away from the patient. The open side of a pillow case should be away from the main door of the ward. Always have a dirty line bin at hand in which to put dirty line. Dirty line should not be carried across the ward to prevent cross infection. Allow room for the patient feet for free movement or turning when placing the top sheet over the patient. Any conversation during the bed making should not be on personal matter between the nurses. Always wash hand before and after bed making. Cotton collect lines in the following order: matters bed, bottom sheet, draw sheet where Macintosh, top sheet, blanket, bed, spread or pillowcase. Once you have collect the line, turn the stack over into the other hand. Thing to remember: unoccupied bed. Raise the bed to a comfortable working height. Wash your hand before and after every patient contact. Gather all the equipment needed. Roll the soiled line away from your body. Place the soiled line in the line bag or line hamper, never on the floor. Return the bed to the lowest horizontal position when you are finished. To make a closed bed into an open bed, fan fold the sheet to be the foot of the bed. The smooth side of the hem face the patient. Explain the procedure to the patient before beginning. Protect the patient privacy. Cover the patient with a bath blanket. Make sure the side rail is up on the side you are not working on. When finished, make a toe splint cover over the patient toes to prevent the weight of the line from pressing down on the toes. Down on the toes. The occupied bed is made with patient in its purpose to make a bed with the least possible discomfort to the patient, to handle the bed cloth skillfully while the patient is on bed, give least disturbance to provide a neat, clean and tidy appearance. An admission bed. This is bed prepared to receive a newly admitted patient. Purpose: to welcome the patient, to provide immediate care, safety and comfort, to protect the bed line while giving bath on admission. Post operative bed. It is bed prepared for a patient who is recovering from the effect of anesthesia following surgery. Purpose: to receive the patient conveniently, to provide warmth and comfort, to prevent shock, to prevent injury, to prevent soiling of the bed, to meet an emergency. Cardiac bed. A bed prepared for patient with cardiac disease. Purpose: to prepare the bed for the cardiac patient to relieve dyspnea. To relieve dyspnea. Amputation divided cradle bed. It is a bed in which top line is divided into two parts to visualize the amputated part of the lower limb without disturbing the patient. Purpose: to wash the stump for hemorrhage and apply tourniquet instantly, to take the weight of the bed cloth off the patient to keep the stump in position. Thank you. This is the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. This Women's University is the first private women's university in the Rajasthan for education for girls. Here is a lot of courses B.Tech, medicals. In medical courses like BAMS, BHMS, BPT, MPT, PhD in MPT, and paramedical courses like MLT, DMLT, B Opto, and other courses like education and education B.Ed, B.Com, B.Sc, agriculture. Here is atmosphere is very green, clean, or and the best university for a girl's child, and the girls are the campus is protect for a girls and here is mobile free campus. This is the most important thing is the mobile free campus for our child. Thank you.